Today I want to sum only visible cells. To do that, I can use SUBTOTAL function. And first of all, I have to choose the function we'll be actually using for summarizing our data. And because I said I want sum, I can use 9. I should choose 9, or I can choose 109. And the difference between those numbers is with hidden cells. So when I'm choosing 109 function number to sum my values, SUBTOTAL function won't see filtered cells and hidden cells. Let's see. So we choose our function, and now I have to just select range and enter. Now all cells are visible, so we have sum from all cells. Now when I hide one row, the sum will change because function isn't looking at those numbers, this number, one number. Okay, so let's hide more rows, and the function is lower because the sum is lower because we hide more cells, and we can add filter here. And let's say I don't want to look and the fruits that cost only $half. So now the function will change again, the result change again, and I can even hide more rows now, and the value once again change. But we have to remember that when we are working with filter values and we hide rows there, they're all treated as filtered. So when I change SUBTOTAL function from 109 to just 9, the result didn't change because the cells are treated as filtered. So when I clear filter from price, we have all cells visible and we sum all cells.